Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Plans and Pans, and thank you for stopping by. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of some Happy Mail that I received from Villabeautifful. And she is a shop that sells mostly pens. I think she's known for her pens. I'm relatively new to her shop. I've only purchased pens, but she has monthly kits and she has other accessories. I think she recently added stickers to the shop. She has enamel pans. That's like a really big thing that's really popular right now in the planning community. And yeah, so this is a kit. The kit was pre-order in December, and the kit shipped last week, and it came today. And this is the Galentine kit. I believe I'm pronouncing it correctly. For February for Valentine's Day. All right, so let's unbox. I'm opening for the first time. I wanted to do it on camera so I can give like a genuine response to what's in the package. I'm really excited. She's been doing like sneak peeks on her Instagram stories, so I'm excited to see what's in the package. Make sure I don't cut it. I don't want to cut anything in the package. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is going to be so, I know it's going to be so pretty. I'm so excited. Oh my God, look, it's in a pouch. And as much as I love pens, I love pen pouches. Oh, look at this. This is like the angels are singing, raining down from heaven on me. I am so glad I purchased this kit. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can get the glare off of it. Look at the, oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, the purples and the pinks. Purple is my favorite color. Oh my God, I'm just so excited. As Tarshell B would say, I think I'm twerking, but I'm not really twerking. My feet are so happy. Oh my, this is. So let's sit this right here. Okay, so we'll do the pen first, the enamel pen. So this is an enamel pen. I'm not going to take anything out of the package. I think you can see it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it says Planner Girl on it. Oh my God, look at this washi tape. And if I'm not mistaken, she said the washi tape is clear. And maybe I'll open it. Let me open it and lay it down on my background. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, can I wait to use this stuff? Oh, look at this, y'all. Look. Are y'all seeing this? Are y'all seeing this? Let me see if my washi cutter works with it. Nah, it's plastic, so you're going to have to cut it with. Yeah, that's not going to work. It did, but it wasn't a clean cut. So, more than likely, have to use scissors maybe. Oh my God, look how pretty that is. Can you all see that? Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Let's do the other one. Oh, let me set that back. Over here. Sorry, let me do this off camera. The plastic is really thick. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so. Look, y'all, look. Oh my gosh, this kit is so amazing. This is my first monthly kit that I've ever purchased. So, as you can tell, I'm super excited to have these things. It's so pretty. Oh my God. Okay, let's keep going. Here's her pen. This is, like I said, this is, I think, what she's probably more known for her pens. And Let's see, I'll open a package. Isn't that so pretty? It's like rose gold. And has the crystals in the inside. And there's a name of her shop. So maybe I'll put everything back in the pouch. Is that dog? Oh my gosh. It's like hair on the bag. I'm gonna just put everything back in the pouch. And these are, tab bookmarks, which I'm excited for. I think I can snap these into my planner. Oh my gosh. I think the packaging itself is so, they're top. So they would go on like this, on the top of the page like that. These colors are so pretty. Hopefully I have this in frame. Let me scoot up a little bit. So those are the tab bookmarks. I thought they were snap-in, but they're tab, but they're still cute. And I will definitely be using these in my planner. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the packaging off camera. Let me just stick it in here. Okay, each pen comes with a refill, so there's a refill for the pen. And these are journaling cards, which I don't use. I don't think I've ever used journaling cards, so I don't even know what I would do with them. So that's the first one. And it has gold foil. The next one. Oh, maybe that should be the other way around. And here's the next one. I guess you can laminate them or stick them in your planners. I've never used these before, so I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to do with them. So if you use journaling cards, maybe you can leave me a comment down below and let me know how you. So this is a sticker book from the kit, and hopefully you can see that. And this is the back of it. I'm trying to get the glare off of it. So let's do a flip through. Oh, this is a little sticky, but so here's the first page, and hopefully you can see that rose gold shimmering off the page. These are so pretty. Girls just want to have fun, stay sweet, XOXO. So these are just icons that you can add in your planner. Make sure I'm in frame. Again, this is rose gold foil. I guess these are considered boxes. More boxes. I guess these are considered headers, and I guess washi strips at the bottom. So appointment, important, check it off today, fun stuff, notes, don't forget to do, goals. It says weekend is here, hello lovely. Now this is pretty. So there's some planner babes at the bottom, some girls. And just these are like different sayings. I'm not going to read all of them. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. And looks like stickers geared towards Valentine's Day. You have stickers for the month. For the days of the week. So you have two weeks worth. And you have arrows. And looks like a tab. And that says, busy day, love it, at the bottom. And that rose gold is so pretty. And this is the last page. This looks like page flags, checklists. And that's it. So again, that's the front. And then the back. So the camera cut off the charms. So I showed the charms, and I was saying I don't normally use these in my planner, but I think they are pretty. I'm more of a functional planner than a decorative planner, So I don't know if I would get much use out of this, but the charms are really pretty. And that's everything from the kit. So you have the dangle charm paper clip. You have the sticker book. And have the journaling cards. These are the journaling cards. The pen, the enamel pen, the gel pen with the refill. And we can't forget about the washi tape. So you have the washi tape. And you have the 3 tab bookmarks. I'm going to put these back in the packaging while I'm doing this. And you have the sticky notes, which I didn't open. I didn't open the sticky notes. And then you have the pouch where it all goes in. And the back, look at that. The back is so pretty. Alright guys, so that's it. That's what came in the kit from Villabeautifful. I would definitely recommend her pens. Her pens are really nice. They do scratch a little bit when you first write with them, but once you write and use them more, the scratchiness will go away and it'll be just writing like butter. So I definitely recommend her shop. She has great customer service. She has fast shipping. She's really active on social media, so it's not like you ever be like in the dark or not knowing exactly what you're going to get when you order from her. So I definitely recommend her shop. So yeah, so go by and check her out. And I'll see if I can leave a referral link down below. So in the description box. So if you shop, you can get like a percentage off, and then I'll get a percentage off. So I definitely will be a repeat customer. If not for her kits, definitely for her her pens. These are just wonderful pens. It's almost like a collector's item in the planner community, but I'm not collecting mine. I'm gonna write with mine and use them. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Again, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys later.